So let's look at some of the stock charts. I hope whatever I say is audible. Let's SPY first. It's trying to break out of this pattern of multiple top. It tried it and it failed again. Surprisingly, last 4 weeks the candles are green. We are not going anywhere. We are moving in the circles. In the rotation is going on. Let's see Qs. Qs is actually in a trouble of double top. Let's say the daily is not showing that. Monthly is probably showing that. Let's look at it closely. Yeah, it's very much double top. What's the high here? 637.01. The high here is 636.60. Pretty close by. Seems like a double top, which is very, very scary. It needs to break out, otherwise, we are in a problem. But the good thing is, look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost 9 positive month and only one negative, which means there's a lot of buying. There was also a possible double top here around 539, which will act like great support if we do correct. Uh, but it does seems little dangerous right now. It says double top. Let's see if anybody joined. Nobody joined. Okay. I am on YouTube Live. And question three to join. Thank you. Okay, back to the charts. So that's QQQ. Let's look at DIA. DIA seems much better. Did we touch almost 5,000? 50,000? No, 496. It's going to touch the 50-day moving average and bounce. Let's look at IWM. It's also looking better compared to QQQ. Okay, let's look at the other charts. Let's look at Apple. Apple will try to touch here at least 268 in the daily. It did came to a resistance in the weekly. but monthly it came to a support and bounce. There's no volume. The RSI is also a little bit cooled down. Okay, let's look at Microsoft. Microsoft broke down. So the next stop is probably here, 350s, or maybe 367. Or maybe first bounce will come here, 385. Can bounce from here too, but highly unlikely. Yeah, maybe it's probably a good entry here. If the Qs break out, it can break out too. Amazon looks little better. 242. Okay. Tesla looks little better. Netflix is probably heading towards 70.31 or 69 maybe. Yeah, that's where it's going. Nvidia. The daily looks like a breakout, but uh, weekly maybe it will. Last 2 week the volume is increasing in this candle and in this candle. Maybe if there is another third candle upwards, it has to break out this, which was what, 195.62. Okay, if it breaks out 195.62, then it can revisit this. But these two candles are showing more like a double top. No, exactly, not really. This was much lower. So we should be fine with Nvidia. Okay, what's the next? Algo. Algo came to a good support in the monthly. Even that is looking better. Daily charts not looking good. Be much better if it hits this 200-day moving average and then bounce. Oh, I see 12 people. Does it mean 12 people are listening? If you have question, can you ask question here? Screener. Meta looks good. Pepsi definitely broke out. Caterpillar also looking good. Shell obviously is breakout. I already have it. GE looks good. Oh, PM. Why I did not see PM? Intel also looking good. Coca-Cola also break out and has inverted head and shoulder. Maybe it peaked though. It went from what 67 to 75 in a quick time. Citigroup. Yes, that's another one that I need to buy next week. Uh, Disney, I think, has earnings next week. Let's see how the chart looks. PG also broke out, but this line is going to reject it. Hmm, Amazon looks better. Baba also looks nice. Maybe there's going to be some oversold bounce in Netflix. Microsoft is a gone case. Oracle had the death cross, so that's also a gone case. AMD has a multiple top. We identified that. I shared it in the group. AMD has a. I saw a double top, but this seems like a multiple top. So gone. UNH is obviously gone. Palantir is also head and shoulder and it broke out the neckline. It's also gone, probably heading towards 125. Let's look at it though. Okay, Caterpillar double top here. No breakout. Man, would have been great entry here. 267 to 650, 673. Oh, missed the whole rally. Okay, right now overbought. RSI too strong. Not gonna touch it. GE. No, weekly is just consolidating. This is a doji. RSI 81 in monthly. I'm not gonna touch it. PM also had a double bottom here around 142. It's another miss. This was a good entry at 142, 140 to 180. Missed it. Intel. Intel weekly looks really good. Let's calculate this. Last week high was 54.60, 54.60, and low was 44.45. 54.60 plus 44.45 divided by 2, 49.52. Did it cross above 49? No, it did not. No, I'm not going to worry about it. Let's come down. Let it come down a little bit. Uh, Probably look at it again around 44. Citigroup has resistance to cross in the daily chart, the 21-day moving average. Weekly also okay, but I'll keep Citigroup in the waiting list. Disney has the earnings next week. Is it over that resistance? Yeah, Disney looks good. Disney looks good. Maybe it will go 120 after a year, two back-to-back week with buying. Let me note down. Where is the pen? Disney. Disney next week. Citigroup next week. Okay. Baba is coming back here. Is it double top? Could be. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definite double top in weekly. Not good. Okay, can you show Finway? Hold on. Let me finish these three charts, please. Not looking good. AMD multiple top. Gone. 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 This, I think I shared it in the group. The double top. Monthly also double top. This is gone. Gone, gone, gone. Palantir head and shoulder. Head and shoulder, and the neckline would be. Where would I put the neckline? Here. So, okay. Can I pause it? How do I pause it? Oh, because the screen is not being shared. Maybe that's why Vijay was calling. Okay, thank you. Visible now. Okay. Can you show your Finviz setup? What filters do you use to identify stocks? Yes, I can show. So every day I go to Finviz, I go to Screener, I go to market cap, I go to small plus, then I go to technical 200-day moving average, price above 200-day moving average, price above 50-day moving average, come back to descriptive relative volume plus one. Then I go to technical, then I go to change from open, and then I filter it based on which ones were up. Usually on the first page, you will find some. Right now it's showing 100 because the whole day passed. But when I see it in the morning, it will be probably 40 to 50, which are about 2%. And then I look at their charts. First, I go through kind of, if I am going through the charts, I'll go through like this, the smaller charts. So anything like this, for example, if you, I don't know whether you can see it properly or not, but this chart will show that it was coming down and trying to get up. I will avoid that kind of chart. This one also I'll avoid. It's just keep on going up. This one also I'll avoid. This one also I'll avoid. This one also I will avoid. This one avoid, 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 avoid. This one I will look at it because I can see that what I see here is that it's in the consistent up channel from last 3 4 months, and it broke out from the previous high. So I'll kind of drill down to that stock, and here I'll go to maybe monthly chart. It doesn't show me anything here. In the weekly also, it's not showing me anything. But if I would have had the way that small chart was looking, in the daily chart, if you assume that you are not looking at the data before September, you can see that here it is. This was one of the high. It break out and it went here. That was the second high. Then it break out and went this to third high, and then it broke out again. So we can clearly see that it is creating a channel and it is making higher highs and lower lows. So this, for example, this low um, is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low. So it was a breakout. So I would look at this kind of a chart, and if I like the stock, then I will buy it. This one kind of doesn't make sense because it's a REIT. REIT stocks doesn't like move crazy up, but those are the kind of setups I look for. This I would avoid. This again looks like breaking out. Yep. I don't know how I missed it today, but ACMR is clearly breaking out. You can see this line, it broke out in the daily chart. Let's look at the weekly chart. It's also breaking out and it is at all-time high. So I would try to buy it. Obviously, I will not buy it here because it's probably overbought. So the next location that I would look for is this particular candle's high. So if you see this high is around 48.27. So if it comes down around 48 or 50, I would look to buy it. And then I will keep on adding it until it goes to this 44, 45 level. But if it crosses below this candle, then that would be my stop loss and I will get out. So I'll just keep a note in case I forget. CMR. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, so basically this is my setup. Should I need to buy after crossing 200 SMA? Yes. How MU and SanDisk are looking really bad. I am very sure. Not. Yep. Two back-to-back red candles. See, this is blow. They call it the blow of the top candle. Uh, so the bigger this injection kind of a candle, it's not good. So obviously, it went from 62 to 455 something. So obviously, way overbought. The right time to buy is kind of we will not get it for next 2 3 years, but if we get it at any point in next, let's say, 3 years or so, around 158, that would be a great buying opportunity. Obviously we'll not get it. uh, the next possible, am I sharing? Yeah, I'm sharing. Then I'm trying to see what is the next possible window for us to buy. The next possible window for us to buy MU is around this 349. Maybe it won't even get there. Probably give us the entry here when it hits this um, pink line, which is right now at 362.92. But if we get another good correction, healthy correction around 360 area, we can buy it. The better entry would be 347. Let's look at SanDisk, SNDK. So this is a bad candle. The good entry for SNDK is 287. Will never get there. Maybe 350. 350 is a better looking. 284 would be good, but I don't think we'll ever get there. 385 is a good looking, decent area to add. What's the next? Stocks do you suggest we can buy in today? There is no discount. Use, yeah, good to buy silver now. No, definitely no. Don't buy silver now. 49 is when it would be a good to buy. This particular 49, this candle high. Yep, 49 is the good price. No question. Okay. Quantum stocks. Okay. Uh, Going back to any question. No. Okay. Then I will drop off. Thank you for joining.